Hey guys, so I wanted to film a really quick get ready with me. So if you guys want to see this super natural but sultry look, then stay tuned. So to get started, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm using my Too Faced concealer. I believe this is in the color Mocha. And I'm just going to be using a brush from MAC. I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that color. Next, I'm using the Juvia Afrique. I believe it's Afrique palette, but anyway, I'm taking that really pretty orange color. I think that is called Dakar, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease area and just blend that in. Because this is a really simple look, I'm going to go in with the next shade, and that is the color Kai. Oh, honey, I believe that's the color, or Kisi, color Kisi. I'm going to apply that straight to my eyelid. And like I said, it's a really just neutral tone color. I wasn't doing too much for this night because I literally had 15 minutes to get ready, okay? So then I'm going to go in with the darker colors that you see right here. Continental, they got me, no, Cameroon, baby, and I'm going back in with that Dakar, mixing those two just to give my crease a little bit more depth. And I'm going to go back in with that Kisi, really light tan, neutral brown color, and just apply that to my lid. Simple as that, honey. Now, I already have my lash on. Struggling a little bit with the other lash. I'm just going to go straight into my foundation. I'm using my Too Faced foundation, honey. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm in the color Chai. Now, what is that? What is that? Your girl is trying to apply a lash on camera for you guys. It is so hard to try to look at the camera or just be in frame, but I try it for y'all. So anyway, I'm applying my lash. I believe this is one of my Morphe lashes. I'm going to have it listed below, but yeah, I'm putting on my lashes and make sure that that is nice and bonded in. And I'm going to go back in with my Too Faced concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the areas of my face that I typically highlight. Y'all already know the drill on this one, okay? And then I'm going to go in with my Sephora brush. Y'all know how I feel about this brush. I'm just going to go ahead and blend in that concealer. So once I have this blended, I'm going to go ahead and put in my contour or use my Fenty Espresso Matchstix and outline my contour. I love this, and I need to use this more, you guys. Like, I need to use this. And I don't know how y'all do y'all makeup when y'all have long hair, honey. It just don't work for me. But I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush and just blend in that contour color, baby. Okay, so you guys know what comes next after everything is blended in. You're going to go ahead with your setting powder. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup. Could not find a beauty blender, so I'm just using a regular powder brush. I don't even know who this brush is by. I've literally had this for like 7 or 8 years. But I'm just blending in my highlight, and now I'm taking my MAC pressed powder in Deep Dark. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the areas of my face that I didn't really highlight and just blend that in. Now I'm going in and just carving out my contour with a little bit of pressed powder. This is the same combo I have been using in almost every video from my Anastasia contour kit. Oh, honey, somebody's always calling me when I'm trying to do my makeup. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and buff in my contour. Just making sure to apply that all around my face just to kind of give me a little bit more dimension. Y'all know how that goes. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and sweep off that excess powder that was sitting on my face and just kind of blend everything in so it's not you know, a little sloppy. Just gotta blend, blend, and blend. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight. This is one of the loose highlighters from the Shayla and ColourPop collection. I don't know offhand which one it is, but I am gonna list it below. This is just a crown like contour, angle contour brush. I'm just gonna apply that right above where I did my contour. You guys know I haven't really been wearing blush lately. It's just simple contour and highlight, and then keep it moving. That's just what I do. Then I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of highlight over my brows, tip of my nose, and yeah, that's about it. So now I'm just applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my falsies to blend those in with my eyelashes. I'm gonna do that to the top and the bottom, honey. Like, I think I had literally maybe 3 to 5 minutes left. I was so late for where I was trying to go this night, but I had a few minutes left, and I was trying to get through this while having a whole conversation. I wound up applying that darker brown color from that Juvia's palette just below my eye. Just smudged out a little bit, and I'm going in with my lip gloss from MAC. Again, I honestly can't think of the name of it right now, but I will have it listed below. Now we are going to move on to this hair. Like y'all know, if you have not seen my review on this, well, watch this video, then go back and watch my review on this wig, honey. So yeah, this is a synthetic lace front, and y'all know I have never worn one of these, so bear with me as I try to get it together. So right now I'm just putting a little bit of powder on my hairline just to blend it in, because I don't want that like line right there. Like, if any of you guys know, help me. I'm a beginner, help me. So you see, I already noticed that my lace was lifting. It wasn't really sitting right there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that, and I'm gonna have to fix that fast. Alright, so I'm gonna go fix that, and boom, we are back. That lace is sitting right there. Your girl put her outfit on. That highlight is popping. I'm just loving this whole look, and I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe.